Hello friend, this is my YouTube channel Itbloom. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer.
You will learn during this training during this graphics design. Okay, so in this graphic design course we have different categories or different sections are there. The first section will go through about the introduction to graphics design, why graphic design, objective of communication, discuss about introduction to graphics design. Okay, so you already heard from the different people about the graphics design. Okay, this is design, that is design, I need graphic designs. So people, sometimes people confuse what is graphic design, okay, and why we use graphic design. So the best and simple explanation about the graphic design is graphic design is the process by which messages and images are used to convey information to a target audience. Okay, so if I say, or if I ask you what you understood about this point, what is graphic designing? So here it's mentioned graphic design is the process by which messages and images are used to convey information to the target audiences. So not only the images. So graphic design, or in other terms, what we can say, graphic design is the art of combination of text, picture, pictograms, like advertisements, magazines, book, etc. Okay, and in other terms, the graphic designing is called a communication design. Okay, so some people called it communication design. Okay, the communication design means while passing our message or convey our message to other person, to our audiences. So that is called graphic designs. Okay, in the graphic design, it can be a text, it can be a picture, it can be a pictogram, it can be a infographics, it can be any content. Okay, so if someone asks what is graphic design, you can easily say graphic design is a communication design where we convey or pass our message in the combination of text, picture, pictograms, infographics, these kind of thing. Okay, so this is our graphic design definitions. Infographics is a part of like icons or pictograms. Okay, it's small pictograms which pass the message about the about your sentence or about your paragraphs. Okay, for example, like see here below this here, can you see this area, this area?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if I use this character only, this will be our pictograms. So this male and female is these two pictograms. Okay, but I use this pictogram to pass the message. So here you can see one magnification I have used and some lines we have used to pass our message to in a different terms. Can you see this line? Some percentages are there. So this is called infographics. Okay, so infographics are nothing but it's a part of using a pictograms to convey or to pass the message to the audience. Okay, so that is an infographics things. Okay, perfectly. Now introduction to graphics design. Okay, so here it's written various methods are used to create and combine symbols, images or words to create visual communication. I already explained the graphic design is also called a visual communication or communication design, okay, of ideas and images, like saying the whole word of communication is in your hand. Okay, so this meaning the graphic design is also terms here they used. Various methods are used to create and combine symbols. Okay, so in the graphic designing we are not using only the images, we are using the combination of symbols. Okay, symbol can be anything. Okay, if I talk about the symbol, symbol can be anything. Okay, anything, it means what? It can be a pictograms, it can be a infographics, it can be any unique text also that comes under symbols. Okay, here images and words to create visual communication. Also in the graphic design I told you text, so here we have used word to create visual communication. Okay, so it's a complete package of using different or multiple images, multiple graphics or in the words can be anything. Okay, I will discuss later on what is word or what is text. Okay, and there are different kind of texts are there. I think you have heard about the typographic text, you heard about the artistic text, you have heard about the calligraphic text. Okay, so we'll discuss these word kind of thing in later sections, right? So this is part of graphic designing. Okay, so we'll say this is our introduction to graphic design. Okay, coming to the next slide now. Here, now you can see some examples of graphic design. Okay, can you see in the left side one Tropicana, like food products are there? Okay, see, this is our food products. So this is also a graphics. Some like packaging things here, some packaging. Okay, some packaging are there, some wrappers are there. So these are packaging. This is also a part of graphic design. Okay, some wrappers here. In some example, you can see these wrapper are also a part of graphic design. Okay, so graphic design can be anything. It can be a magazine, it can be a hoarding, it can be a banner, it can be a food products packaging, it can be a wrapper, it can be a billboards. There, it can be anything. Okay, so these are some examples here. Coming to the next slide to see some more examples here. So now in this slide, some graphics are also there. Okay, some billboards are there, some poster are there. If you go to the bus stand, you will see these kind of poster. So this is also a part of graphic design. Okay, so here they talked about the information on the billboards and bus stands poster or hoarding you pass on your way to work. Okay, so this is also a method to pass your message to audiences, to your viewers. Okay, can anyone tell me which kind of graphics we used? How many types of graphics are there? If anyone asks how many graphics are there, how many graphics you can make, then what would be your answer for that? Okay, the vector based and raster based.
Raster.
Okay, so these are a part of graphics terms. Okay, so which kind of graphic is this, guys? Is it vector or raster? So these two are raster, not vector. Yes, how can I say this is vector, this is raster, not vector? I will explain you in the next slide, in further slide. Okay, so guys, always remember graphics can be only two types. Okay, if I talk about only the graphics can be only a two types, vector graphics and raster graphics. Okay, so these all the printed part, we call this as a raster graphics. Okay, so I will explain you what is the difference between vector and raster and how and which graphics we'll use where. Okay, next, why graphics design? So many people ask, like, you are a graphic designer, you are something else, you're doing this, why graphic design, why we use graphic design? Okay, so here the answer is, when people need to necessarily express something or usually to with an aim towards promotion or give information, then aim becomes how to do it the best. So that is called graphic design. So what is our role? So graphic design is a main who play this part, who play the graphic design, who create the graphic design. So graphic design created by graphic designer, right? That we are a graphic designer, so we create a graphics, right? Okay, coming to the next slide. Story development and concept design. This is awesome. Okay, so every graphic designer needs to know this thing, story development and concept design. When you understood this thing, you will be a good graphic designer, you will be a creative graphic designer. Okay, the story development and concept designing. So while making any design or while starting any product, we need to think about this topic, story development and concept design. Okay, so the first part of story development is, so whenever we are going to start creating or start implementing or start doing anything, we think about three different things here. The first, what is the objective of communication? So my first question would be, what is the objective of the communication? While creating any graphics or any design, we need to think about the objective of communication where it is going to be published. My second question would be, what need to be said first and then next and then after? Okay, in this terms we called it why and why. Okay, because while thinking anything, always we ask question why we are doing this, why you are doing that, why you are doing that. So that is the three why we use, and that is called what need to be said first, then next and then after, level of hierarchy. Okay, this is also very, very important. Coming to the next point here, who are your target audiences? So this is also very important. While making any design, you need to think, or you need to target your think about your target audiences. Okay, so let me explain one by one all 3 points, and we'll go to after that next. Okay, so what is the objective of communication? Okay, coming to the next slide here. So if anyone came to me and asked, this is my product, I want to design this, what question you will be asked first to the your client? If I'm your client, I came to you that, yeah, hi, I need to make this design. Okay, what would be your first question?
What is your product?
Okay, you will ask me about my product. Okay, I will tell you my bottle, water bottle is my product.
Purpose.
Okay, purpose, perfectly fine. Okay, my purpose is to make a design, make an advertisement of this product.
Who are your targeted audience? Is it a child, any professional, or a common
Perfectly
thing?
fine, right? So here is one topic came, target audiences. Okay, so this is the main part, the product, because when the client will come, you already know, yeah, this client came for this product. Okay, purpose, you know about, they came to me for the advertisement only, or maybe some magazine, because we are a designer, we are not a web designer that they came to us to know our web designing. So purpose is also fine, advertisement. Okay, the target audiences, the first topic, target audiences. What next? What kind of question we'll ask now? These 3 questions are superb, that definitely will ask these 3. Next.
What are the users and what are the market competitors as of now available?
So this your client will say you, or you will find this?
It depends, like whom, I mean, it's both, and whom they consider as their competitor.
Okay, so it's a vice versa things. Okay, maybe your client will also tell me, yeah, this is my competitor, and that's why I create this product. Okay, so competitors also you need to find in the design terms. The designer need to find the competitors design. My first question would be, sir, I'm happy that you came here to make an advertisement of this product. How you are going to create this product? Are you going to make a poster product? Are you going to make a billboard products? Are you going to make an ads for this product? Are you going to create a magazine designs for this product? Are you going to make a book cover page for this product? How? The way of communication. Okay, how you are going to introduce this product, in which way, in which manner, in a poster, or in a billboards, or in a bus stand banner, or in a advertisements, or in a any kind of, it can be any kind of things. So your first question would be this communication method, because as per this communication method, as per your this decision, poster, billboards, ad, you need to decide the size of your page. Got it? Because if you don't know, the client asked, he came to make a poster for me, so we don't know. So if I take a banner size in my design, that is wrong. Okay, because if I know this product is going to be produced as a poster design, then we need to take a poster size while making the design. Okay, so for the size, we need to confirm about the communication. Okay, where it is going to be published. Okay, like see some example are there. Can you see this example here? Okay, it's kind of creative shapes are there. Inside shapes, there are so many different images are there.
Yeah.
Here you can see black swan. Okay, what is the difference between these two graphics? It look like a poster kind of thing, right? It's a kind
Second
of
one is
poster, or we can say it's a kind of flyer. Okay, but this, which kind of image is this?
it is looking like a book cover.
Book cover. Got it? So these two are different things. So as per our concept, as per the communication, we need to think which kind of design it should be. Got
So I
it?
have a question.
Yes.
These are images, so we can define them under graphics. If someone asks me to create a advertisement like a video, so
Okay.
will it also matlab cover and graphic?
Yes. Video is also a part of graphics, but that is a part of multimedia graphics.
Okay.
Okay. Web is also is a part of graphics. Okay, that banner, web banner and all, but that is an web graphics.
Okay.
Okay, so the video will come as a multimedia graphics. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Coming to the next slide here. Okay, so some examples are also there. Can you see some objective of communication? Some thinking, some creative thinking here. These three covers. Okay, so this, the first one here, is this a look like a book cover?
It's a poster.
It's a poster. It's not book cover. This one, it's a kind of flyer.
Okay.
Okay, when you go to the shop, they will give you this kind of flyer.
Yeah.
Okay, because it's flyer size. Can you see here? It's a approx square kind of thing. Okay, and this is, you can treat this is as an book cover or magazine cover.
Yeah.
Okay, so as per your thinking, as per your size, the design will change. Okay.
Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.